Hi everybody, welcome to Khong Driving. It's a beautiful morning here and we're on our way up again to our favorite test drive route. So what do we have here? Yeah, this car is something you've been waiting for. It is actually the Honda City. Now this is the 1.5 normally aspirated version, the non-i-MMD. This is still the base model, not the RS. Okay, so just to clarify, there are 4 variants of the Honda City, and from the very base model is the S version. Then they have the E and V. So this is the V version, the third from the start, yeah. And so this is quite high spec. And then on top of this, there is one more, the RS. We are still waiting for the RS. There seems to be some delay, so we don't know when we're going to get that. So this, for the time being, is the top of the range, and the prices start from 74, 81 to 86. So this Honda City V spec is 86,560 something ringgit. Okay. So what does it have? What's different? Well, for a start, this is the all-new Honda City, so it's a totally new body. It looks very much like the old one, yes, I agree. And you really have to study it to find the subtle differences. Yes, it's a completely new body. However, it retains the same 2.6 meter wheelbase, which is 2600 mm, yeah. And the length is about 4.4 meters. And for the V, we get 16-inch wheels, ventilated discs in the front, and drums at the back. So not much change from the previous version, but the suspension is remains the same. Sorry, there's a mosquito in the car. Suspension remains the same with McPherson struts in the front and a torsion beam arrangement at the back. So there's not much change there. But the big change, however, will be in the RS, which we will get to see later. But the big major change for this one is that the engine is now built differently. It has 121 PS, which is 1 PS more than the previous one, but it is now a double overhead cam. Now, from what I know of single overhead cam and double overhead cams, is that the double overhead cam will have better throttle response. So we're going to check how this engine will perform on this mountain. Okay, because for a few years now, Honda has been going on DOHC, which is a single overhead cam engine. They said that it was better for fuel economy. So now they've shifted to a double overhead cam. I suppose is to respond to the market demand, because Malaysians are really very, very hot on power. They want all the power they can get. Yeah. So we are going to check this car out. Yes, it's actually meant as a family sedan, and the suspension this is just stock suspension. And well, I'm glad it's on 16-inch. It's 185/55 R16 tires. And we also have a sport mode. And there's a mosquito. Other good news is it's got paddle shifters. So now I put into S mode, which is the sport version. And this time I've remembered to turn off Econ. And we are nearing the guard post at the bottom of the hill. Yeah, the road was a bit wet, yeah, just now around the corner, and so we got to watch it. It may have drizzled a little bit, but anyway, we are now up to the guard post, and there's a car in front of us, and here we go. So I'm down into S mode, and first corner, need to warm up the tires a bit. That was a monkey. Okay, this is a 7-speed CVT. I shifted up. It was holding it in third, so I shifted it down to second this time. Okay, there's a hint of understeer. It looks like it performs better in second. You get a bit better acceleration. Okay, up to third. Okay, I got to try to take this in third. Yes, it's holding third. At 5,000 RPM. Building up the speed. Remember, this is a family sedan, yeah? We're just doing this for fun. Oh, the dogs are not here this morning. Okay, because of the difference between second and third, we got to try to carry speed in third gear through the corners. There's a car in front of us. Thank you. Bit of trail braking and a bit of braking before the corners helps to settle the suspension down. Very nice. My bag is flying. We managed to hit fourth a couple of times, and there's a motorbike in front of us. Yeah, we can make it. That was fifth. Yeah, that was a good clear run, and we're here at the roundabout. Woo! That was nice. Okay, so well, it felt good, man. It's very easy to drive. Basically, it's like flat out all the way. Okay, let's go and have a quick look at what it's like up the other hill.